Hi everyone, this is Prathiba Gowda. Basically, I'm a television artist. So as you all know, I act in 2 different languages. So I keep traveling to state, wherein because of my traveling and hectic shoots, indoor and outdoor shoots and harsh lights, my skin is totally damaged. Wherein I am in search of natural glow, wherein I want back my natural glow. So one of my friends suggested me, why don't you try in VCare, where you might get your natural skin back. So I'm here today in VCare clinic. So let's get started with my treatment. So I just now consulted the doctor and doctor suggested me to take up a carbon laser treatment. So yeah, finally my first sitting is done, wherein they treated me for my acne and the whiteheads and blackheads, everything is removed. I can feel a little fresh. So they just told me that I have to come for another 5 more sittings. After 3 days, I'll get a bright and glowing skin. So I'm waiting for that particular result. So thank you so much, VCare.